Money is more than just a medium of exchange. It's a tool that can be strategically leveraged to secure your financial future. In this video, we'll explore the empowering concept of making your money work for you. It's a fundamental principle that can help you achieve financial independence and build lasting wealth. Unlocking the potential of your money. Money has the potential to do more than merely pass through your hands. To harness its true potential, you need to shift from a passive approach of earning, spending, and saving to an active approach of investing and growing your wealth. Traditional financial approaches. In the traditional financial paradigm, people earn money through jobs, save it in banks, and allocate it towards expenses. While this approach is necessary for daily living, it often falls short when it comes to realizing long-term financial dreams. A shift in mindset. Making your money work for you involves a fundamental shift in mindset. It's about transitioning from being solely a consumer to becoming an investor, someone who actively seeks opportunities to grow their wealth. The role of investing. Investing is at the heart of making your money work for you. It means allocating your money into assets that have the potential to appreciate over time. These assets can include stocks, bonds, real estate, and even entrepreneurial ventures. The compounding effect. One of the most powerful aspects of investing is the compounding effect. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gaining momentum as it goes. Your investments generate returns, and those returns generate more returns. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to substantial wealth. Diversify your income streams. Relying solely on a job may limit your financial growth. To truly make your money work for you, diversify your income streams. Explore ways to generate revenue from investments, side businesses, rental properties, or other sources. The promise of real estate. Real estate stands as a favored avenue for making your money work for you. By acquiring properties that generate rental income, you establish a steady stream of cash flow while potentially benefiting from property appreciation. Entrepreneurship as a path. Starting and managing a business is another powerful avenue to tap into the potential of your money. While entrepreneurship demands dedication and effort, it can yield significant financial rewards and offer you the freedom to be your own boss. The essential role of financial education. To effectively make your money work for you, financial education is paramount. Understanding investment strategies, grasping tax implications, and mastering risk management equips you to make informed and strategic financial decisions. Managing and reducing debt. Debt can be a significant hurdle on your journey to making your money work for you. High-interest debts, in particular, can slowly erode your wealth over time. Prioritize paying off debts to free up more of your income for investments. Building an emergency fund. Creating an emergency fund is an essential component of financial security. It ensures you have a financial safety net to cover unexpected expenses, allowing you to stay committed to making your money work for you. The importance of retirement planning. Planning for retirement is a pivotal part of the process. Contributing to retirement accounts like 401(k) or IRAs can help you build a financial cushion for your future and ensure you have the resources you need in your retirement years. Strategically allocating assets. Diversify your investments through strategic asset allocation. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can manage risk while optimizing returns, resulting in a balanced portfolio. Effective risk management. While making your money work for you involves calculated risks, it's equally vital to manage those risks effectively. Develop a well-considered investment strategy. Establish clear financial goals and regularly review your investment portfolio. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, the temptation to inflate your lifestyle often grows as well. However, avoiding lifestyle inflation, resisting the urge to spend more as you earn more, is crucial for building lasting wealth. Redirect additional earnings into your investments. The role of patience. Making your money work for you is a long-term endeavor that demands patience and discipline. It requires unwavering commitment to your financial goals, especially during market fluctuations. Seeking professional advice. Consider seeking guidance from financial professionals who can provide personalized recommendations based on your unique financial situation and goals. Their expertise can help you make informed investment decisions.